Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to publish in Lucidchart. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Publishing your Lucidchart diagram allows you to share it with others via link or embed it in a website or document. Now, all you have to do is go to the document or file that I want to publish. If you haven't already, just go to the new button on the upper left corner, click on the Lucidchart. You can start from a blank document where you can publish it later or create from template. In my case, I'm going to be opening this specific file. I will be forwarded to the diagram builder. All right, and all you have to do is go to the file section. There should be an option that says publish. All right, I want you to click on it. Now you can make your content visible to anyone by publishing it to the web. You have three options. You can use the full document URL. If you do that, it would generate a link here. Now let me tell you that full documents URLs allow viewers to export, embed, and make a copy of the document for editing in their own Lucid account. All right, click on that URL. Now the next option is publishing via the full document PDF. If you do that, it will generate a specific link right here. And then the other option is going to be the single page PDF or image. Now you can publish this using any of the following. All right, PDF or PNG, wherein you can have full custom control on the current zoom level, screen quality, which is 160 ppi, and the print quality of 300 ppi, depending on your preferences and likeness. If you click the JPEG, it's also the same thing. Click on Publish Page, and that's that. Now, the last part is going to be the area selection or image. You see, you can choose any of the following: current zoom level, screen quality, print quality, and of course you can choose from any of the following format. Is it going to be PNG or JPEG? And from here, click on the publish selection. Once you do that, you can now set the permission level right here to have an option for the people. By default, is it going to be like edit and share, wherein they can edit, share, and change access. They also have an option that they can edit but cannot share or change access permissions. They can also comment, wherein but they cannot share, edit, or change access permissions. And the view only is that they can only view but cannot share, edit, comment, or change access permissions. Once you've done that, since you have already published all the links, all you're going to do is manage. You can edit and share all of these. Click on done and just put all the information for your maybe if you wanted to share this to your client, or maybe share this to your team members, which is very important if you're working with multiple freelancers. All right, these are going to be your options. Always adjust the visibility if you want your diagram to be publicly accessible to anyone without needing a link. All right, you can adjust the settings later on. And once you have chosen your publication settings, make sure to click on done to save your changes. And by following all of these, you should be able to easily publish your Lucidchart diagram, share it with others, or embed it to the website, ensuring your audience can view or interact with their content as needed. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.